How to create a YouTube channel. In this video, I'm exactly gonna show you the step-by-step process on how you can create your own YouTube channel. If this sounds helpful to you, then watch this video till the end and let's get this video started. Firstly, you need to open up youtube.com and then click on your profile icon right here and click on create a channel. Now you can give name to your channel, whatever you want. And you can also change the handle of your channel. You can upload a picture and click on create channel. And you have created your channel. Now before you upload any videos, there are a few settings that you need to manage. You can click on customize channel. You'll land on this layout page. You can see sections like video spotlight, feature sections and other stuff. If you want, you can also add in a trailer for people who visit your channel. They'll see a video in front of your channel so they know what is your channel all about. In the next section, you can see here you can add profile picture to your channel. You can add a banner image which shows up behind your profile picture, and also you can add in a video watermark which will be shown right on the bottom right of the video. Other than that, if you click on basic info, here you can change your name of the channel, your handle, and you can give a description about what your channel is and what kind of videos that you create. You can also add in external links such as links to your website, links to your Instagram, your Facebook, and other stuff. You can also add in your email address right here, and after you finish all that, you can click on this publish option. Other than that, you'll also need to verify your account in order to start uploading. Firstly, let's click on settings, and if you click on channel, here you can also add in your country and the keywords. This is very important. The keywords are very important in order to attract viewers, in order to rank your videos. So you can enter the keywords related to your niche. And in the advanced settings, you can set this channel for made for kids or not made for kids. If your channel is not made for kids, then make sure that is selected to no. Otherwise, you won't be able to monetize your channel from the ads that show up, and the comment section also will not be visible. And the last thing is you need to verify yourself in order to start uploading. So this is a part of another video. Make sure you check that out also. I'll leave the video link on the description of this video. You can check that out and verify your account. And that's about it on how you can create your channel on YouTube.